2003 Mini Cooper S. My low speed fan is not working, and we're gonna get it working. Hopefully that's the plan anyway. A somewhat unique situation because a couple years ago, my supercharger failed and I put in a Sprintex. Well, while I had the front end apart putting the supercharger in, I realized at that time that my low speed fan was not working. I fixed it, and I also ran a set of wires up here in case it failed again, and it did. I was thinking ahead, I can put a remote resistor right here, so we're gonna do that. I also pre-purchased some resistors for the low speed fan once upon a time. They've been sitting in the box waiting for this day, so let's get them hooked up and see if we can get this fan working again. These are 100 watt 0.3 ohm resistors in series. Basically, I've got 0.6 ohms of resistance. High speed fan and low speed fan. This is pretty much perfect, but I gotta get these mounted up into a way that isn't so janky. I think I've decided I'm gonna use this piece of 8" by 1" aluminum flat bar. A little slot here I can cut out, notch out, and slide this into. I'll mount over here. This takes an M6. There's already a nut inside there. I'll mount this right here, put the two resistors right here, right in the path of the airflow of the fan, and then I'll run a wiring harness and a quick connector, and I think this will work great. I'm gonna have to bevel this a little bit, get it to push in. I think that's gonna work. The M6. That'll do. This is 1/4 inch. That's gonna work. So much better. Stage 2, this one should work. That's high speed, right? And crossing your finger, low speed. I haven't had a good working low speed fan for an awful long time, but it works now. So yeah, I think really what it's all about is just trying it. See if you can figure it out and get it fixed. No point in replacing the entire fan just because of resistor burnout. That's the way I see it. Anyway, if it helped you, give me a thumbs up and we'll see you next time.